you say? Get the cup on my face. They see me dripping the sauce. They tryna
We've got like a lovely company here. We've got
Oh, look at
Dutty
that.
Berry.
Dutty Berry.
We've got Dutty Berry.
But clean
also,
today.
Also clean and also with an English accent like so.
Yeah.
And there he goes right
Da
there.
Vinci.
Da Vinci.
Da Vinci.
Look
That's
at him,
going on.
darling. And look at him. We've got Rob right here.
Rob Kardashian.
Rob Kardashian. Crazy now, I'm wondering how his bum got fit back there. But, whatever. Working hard, yo. Big up yourself.
Billy.
Girl, it's the last of that shoes.
Where did the girls go?
Stepping on a patrol a while ago.
I said some of the ladies, they see them.
Box cover Dutty Berry there. It is night 2, Rebel Salute 2018. Have no idea, you know, like who going to perform, but right about now, I come here after the rainfall and the place muddy up. But I'm going to just enjoy myself and taking some reggae music. So Jovi over here, so she make sure plan for the occasion because yesterday she was her caught in heels.
Yeah.
But now you plan for it.
Yeah, you know,
You're
mix it up a little bit, you know. I kind of had to get real.
okay, I have what was what a tent, umbrella?
I went and supported the community
Oh yes.
by purchasing one of the
Yeah.
hundreds of people selling the little things.
Yeah.
I was the lucky winner of this green chair, which I will be using because after last night, I can't tell
Yeah, you know you're going to sit
I
down.
look foot them, yes. So I'm going to sit down on this.
So why you don't have
And I
a you're
got
going
it
to
because
sit
it
down
matched
on
my
what?
glasses and my shirt.
You're going to sit down on what,
No.
Jovi?
I'm going to sit down on a chair.
Okay. I heard something a while ago for a second, just making it clear. Okay.
Why is your mind always in the gutter, Barry?
You
Or
know,
is it that I just, you know, started?
you bring out, so where's the flag?
My flag.
Why you don't have one of the Rasta flag them for like,
All
you
right,
know?
I forgot to find somebody to get that from. Now.
Okay, so that's what we're going to do. Rebel Salute
Prime
2018.
I'm gonna ask everybody. What are that being one night place? What are they? What are they? You know, like, just follow me. I'm here, star. And I told you tonight. Sorry. Maybe she was mother. She white man, job was seen. Sorry. You know where I said money thing. What is it? Push me by effect. Don't make me jump in. What are they? Sorry there. Me going that mood. That's saying that I get feel. I say I feel so now. When I do that toes, the shoes never buy. You feel like me I eat that. Who am I going to beside other people? I can't too much cheer the right or so. I don't cheer thing. I mean I perform for nobody where I sit down in a chair. Me I hey, push me up, come on sir. Push me up, sir. Push me up, sir. Don't make me jump in.
Wow. Yeah. When was the last time he did this? He did this somewhere. Oh yeah, he did.
Everybody has to make noise! Make noise! Play the next one for me then. Play the next one for me. Are you not Jamaica with?
How you feel for come and shell a stage like this?
Flary.
Yeah.
Flares in the air. You catch it, you catch it, you catch it.
Yeah, I was to say the video where you drop with Jenna Bunks and Flary the #1 pan trending.
What go on? You know we reach there.
Cartel look like he out because Cartel drop the song, you know, drop the song then and look like
drop.
the cartoon song with name again, something more Yabba Dabba Do. So you feel about that? You're the #1 pan trending now, but Cartel.
What go on?
Yeah, but we'll never see about tomorrow if you can still beat out Cartel. You can enjoy it for now.
Yeah, I enjoy. Good. Rap salute out there.
Yeah, man, bless up, yeah.
Why are you saying this and say, you know, my name will real was? You know what I'm saying here? Right now, what would I do? Everybody,
Alright, so Romain Vendre performing, Rebel Salute performing later. You excited?
More than excited. This is 25 years of Rebel Salute, and this is when from 2009 me I do it. 5 years now me not do it, so it's a blessing.
Alright, how do wifey?
She nice.
Yeah, come soon I take couple goals and all kind of thing like with that Jamaica, John Ledden and Chrissy Teigen. She alright.
So yeah man, she nice man.
She nice. Yeah, we know your neighbor, somebody named Caris. So you're the next door, yeah.
Caris, big up Caris every time.
How's the project been going with you and Christopher Martin? How you find people receiving the music?
Trust me, I think because one of the songs that really connect and to tell the truth.
Yeah.
I think it's a song that just kind of connect with the people easily. You know, we're doing the music video for it soon, so you know, and it's doing well, especially here in Jamaica for sure. You know, it's doing well.
All right. So what would you say is the biggest lesson that you learned from 2017?
2017, you know, I just need to, if I believe in something, I just need to continue believing, and you know, that me I try to bring over in 2018.
Yeah, you have to believe in yourself because it's one thing the Jamaican people really love you and you have that where something where I hope say don't change, you have that ability for really just connect a group of people. So when you step into a room, somebody from the toddler to the grandmother can appreciate that.
You're right.
And everybody have that.
Yeah.
And everybody have that. So all the best. And yeah, we'll be taking your performance and yeah.
Every time Dutty Berry.
Alright, so last question. I'm gonna sing one piece of song and you finish it, right? Alright. Earth to run red.
Then you will see them on a tea bread.
Yeah, we never expected for know the one that while ago. But yeah, because you're a reggae singer, so you must know the Richard Price
spoon. Know them, man.
Alright, bless.
Big up, brother.
Yeah.
Coming up live right now, Rebel Salute, Real Royalty, show love for Queen Africa.
Look how much youth I get raped, look how much boy I get raped. The man that show up sticks in a little boy's bottoms about it and the mothers that get arrested when them go jail. But talk about it. And the same Jamaica this. All who say incest wrong. All who say they stop have sex with a little boy and a little girl, them. And who them a try legalize that boy. Man is denied to them now. Remind us. So we can talk in other languages. The only other one being Spanishish. Simply because I just sat and learned the words. So all the Spanish speakers them in the audience, we know there are right people in here. Oh dear, hurrah, abradity. No borders, but me say more than this paper for me protector.
Alright, so we're going right now. We're there, I go through the performance. Ding Dong did a perform, we decided so we run up on the stage and then while that now, the hyper commotion, the mic, what you call this? The mic cap go drop off.
Ask people on your Instagram if it can. Oh, it's not on Instagram? I thought it's not.
Yeah, I'm not a service with this go up now, but yeah, so we are trying to fix all this now, the struggles.
And she a get away. I know me make she a beat up me gate from other day. No, I know nothing personal. So the player cause anywhere we go. Me say a be a girl a run me down. Some boys say that not like that. Want fi gun we know. I show them woman want fi.
I'm about 20 minutes and then I gone home. So you better come to your couch quick. Okay. Well, I'm gonna tell you, the show live, you know, don't it? Feel little bouncy and yeah man, I don't want to wake up and all them things and all the people them who never in the VIP area they run come over and I don't know them climb the fence up quick but that's how it goes. We have to start build the fence a little higher. Okay, here we go. Hero. Hero.
Real fish them out. Real swim around them up on the internet. You understand what I'm saying? Yeah.
Alright, so making my way backstage and I only hear some high note and some one bag of note a lick. And hear what? I just come around and I see them three lovely ladies here and them just sing. Me don't know them look with the term where you call like where you, what?
And riffs and runs.
Vocal acrobatics. That is what I am going to call it. But who are you guys? Tell me because I want to know. I know one somebody. I'm not going to talk to that somebody. But I want everybody to introduce themselves and talk to the whole of the Burritos them. So, what's your name?
Hi, I'm Aisha Hills.
Okay.
Hi, I'm Lachey Grant.
Hi, I'm Monifa Gas.
And y'all three are?
Oh, we sing for IKEA. Supporting vocalists.
For IKEA?
Yeah.
Oh, God, I love IKEA.
Yeah, we love art too.
So, but I'm going to say right now, if you don't want individual career, run yourself, or group nothing, anything about that, just let me know and I'll be glad to go support them and promote them on my channel. Because no man, it sound real good and I just a little preview me here. Okay, so the lady said that them can't really make no noise. But I'm just ask some questions to know about music, right? Yeah. Alright, so Richie Spice have a song. So I'm gonna pick out you. I'm gonna pick out your name, right? So when I start singing more, you finish. Earth a run red.
Something. Yeah.
I'm gonna try the next one here, so come on, hold on. Earth a run red.
Tell them all of you people.
Alright, come in now. Come in, Monifa, come in. Come in. Earth a run red. And all the time, then when they can't sing, it can't save you.
I'm gonna tell you why I always say. I'm gonna tell you how we used to do it. Cause when I was in primary school,
Yeah.
I was young, and the words never come out clear to me.
Yeah.
So I used to sing as a little gimme. I used to say, and then say cheese bread. But I just always remember the melody. But because I was young, but now you make me go for the research because it's very important to know the veteran them songs. So I feel, you know, I have to big up Richie Spice all the time. He has a great song going on. So yeah,
You hear that, Richie? Monifa beg the little collab. She asked for the collab. Well, that's it. Nice talking to you, ladies. And you perform already with IKEA?
Yeah.
Oh gosh, I hope I get for soon again. Only can't hold on. So we want to go prips and hope say like them. Sing a little song and just try. We want a little one I know just sneak in. Even though they made them interview. Cause bad or bad. And people like, I'm so sorry that I made the interview with my chewing gum. I will not do it again. But yeah, let me go on. When I find a song when I sing?
no man no cry.
No woman, no cry.
Yeah.
No woman, no cry. No man, no cry.
Hey, and that's it for watching the Dutty Berry Show. Peace out, people, until next time.
Value that instill the morals and the principles. But I see two ones in there, please. Video man, put it in that crowd. Could I see the lighters, please? Could I see the lighters, please? Could I see the lighters, please? If you like lighters, I'm going to sell that phone. Oh, my God. More fire, Babylon. Oh, my God. Look at us now. Who's the action? Food of fire. Food of fire. Oh, my God. Look at us now.
Alright, so now we book up the little goodie here, the little nice sexy girl here. Queen Latisha. What go on?
You don't know where they are Rebel Salute 2018. It loud where they are perform, represent for Dance Jamaica, and it's all good.
Yeah. You have any plans for 2018, like any new projects, anything where you're going to do new, anything you want to tell the people them about?
Well, I have something named Attitude with an H,
Yeah,
so you
yeah.
don't know, look out for it. Whole heap of attitude, yeah.
Okay.
I'm a dance move, I'm a dance style, and a whole heap of clothing that come with it too.
Okay, nice stuff. I saw something by Instagram, something named Print Up. What that about? What that?
You know, say, when you know you wear that little shots there, you something print up.
Oh, yeah, you're able to come and see some picture on your page now. You know, you're kind of blessed.
It print up, don't it?
Yeah, blessed certain way, Latisha.
And the new dance move with him print up, and it's a competition going on, so you can win like 500 US. So you can come on my page and you can enter. Kim Weirdo, she sing the song, and I did the dance move. So I print up this year.
So I'm to the girl them, oh, when them try for print up something, nothing really did it, no little extra something that did it. You have a little move where them can help for make the little thing that did it?
Well, no.
You have to just band with it?
Yeah, you have a print.
They try to stop us with fire, 'cause every day you say a prayer, 'cause by the cross and we inspire, brothers and you conversion with fire.
Alright, so tell me why you here? You're part of Dance JA?
Yeah, you know, I work with Dance Jamaica, you know, big up Latanya Styles, and we're here representing. We're gonna dance with Queen Africa tonight.
Okay, awesome.
You know, last night we represented as well.
Yeah.
So, you know, the team is here. Hello.
Yeah, man, yeah. So it's going to be a fun experience.
Most definitely. We worked with her last year, and, you know, we're here again this year. So, big up Queen Africa. I don't move that.
Alright, so since today one place like this, you ever deal with a Rasta man before? You ever talk to a Rasta man?
Yeah, man, you know, my eyes are like that.
Oh, okay. So you find like the Rasta man, them energy different from like the regular balling?
Well, it's a real energy. Them, yeah, at least them try to be spiritual and, you know, righteous and something there. Until them kind of broke loose sometimes and want to get wild, but I like that energy there, yeah. So I create a Rasta man.
Okay, so it's about like a 75% of the time is a not on your front line?
Yeah, like maybe 90% of the time.
So Rasta men out there, you're single by the way, you're taking?
Yep, single.
Oh, so find our Instagram. What's your Instagram?
Queen_promo.
Don't send her no nudes, just send her a step to her nice and make sure you know how much money you earn and how you can take care of her, alright?
Alright.
Yeah, man, that sounds like a plan. And let me know if somebody run up tonight.
Alright, and Happy New Year.
Yeah, man, to you too. Alright, son.
Every time I think of saying goodbye, everything inside me says it's a lie. No, I can't.
Alright, so Dutty here, and I'm with Malik and Tony. Eruption?
Yes.
Okay. What was the performance like? How did it feel on stage to be sharing the stage with Queen Africa?
Yeah, that was magic, man. I just yesterday we played last night, but I saw her and said, boy, I love to do something with you, because you know, the whole violence thing are going down in Mobile when I like contribute to, you know, send our vibes out to that kind of thing, you know. So she said, yeah, man, come jam with you, because you have this amazing drummer. Never played with him before, so you know, it's a pleasure to.
And the energy on stage was
just
like
we didn't rehearse nothing. We just came out and just vibe off the energy. Yes.
So what was the performance like for you?
Man, for my first time officially playing reggae, this was amazing. This was a dream come true. This was my biggest crowd playing in front of ever. This was like official.
Yeah.
And then playing with a legend right here.
Yes.
And for it being random. That was crazy, man. It was. I don't even have any words to describe it. You would know if you watched the video. You would see it in my eyes.
I hope you guys got to see some of the clips, like to see what that energy was
I
like.
didn't.
Oh, you did?
I didn't.
Oh, I'm going to show you after this. Because I recorded this. I want you guys to see.
Yeah, please.
It's the first time in Jamaica.
No, this is not my first time. My mother and my father they practice Rastafarian, so I grew up. My father's a bobo, you know what I'm saying? I grew up with that, Naya Bengi. So I've been seeing the drums.
Okay, yeah.
Boom, boom, so and then my stepfather is from Portmore, so my mother got married to my stepfather here when I was 1 year old. I've been coming back and forth, and then last time I was here, I was 18. Now, I'm officially here, so it was amazing. It was amazing.
That moment on stage, I think you did something with the sticks and it fell.
When I'm drumming, I'm demonstrating life, different examples, you know, success and downfalls, literally. So I was doing cool stuff, the stick drop, might go do one stick, you know, and still hold the beat down, might dance over to the stick. Oh, I just,
was it a moonwalk? Yeah, that's like,
yeah, just moonwalks to the stick.
What you say? You think you could have tried that?
No,
well, try it because you must have your move. Yeah, see there?
I can't do the
shoulder. Yeah.
Pick it up.
I gotta.
What do you guys have planned? Are there any more performances that you have for 2018 so far? Or anything that you're looking forward to for the rest of the year?
Well, while I'm here, I'm creating the best links like him, Queen Africa, like everybody.
Yeah.
And I'm with it. I'm definitely up for it. It's just, you know, the future, you know, only tells that. So.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, well, we're gonna be on the road, Third World. We're coming up with a new album, you know, produced by Junior Gang. So we'll be on the road. So it's nice to maybe when we go to Washington, I could bring him on stage.
Cool. That'd be
something together in our shows. So.
All right, so quickly tell me, we're at Rebel Salute, and we know that this is a Rasta kind of, you know, event. So talk to us about, like, in terms of these what do you call it, accessories, jewelry. What do you refer to them as?
So.
And do they have a meaning, a message?
Definitely has a meaning. For this one, it has no name, anything. It's just another form of me. Literally, I started it from just a circle, just to represent my logo, which is like right here.
Oh, okay, okay.
And it's a
definition
drum
of
percussion entertainment. Dope. D-O-P, that's my brand. And it says dope right here on my shirt.
Awesome, yeah.
Got a clothing line. So this just represented. This just represented life and like box cover. He gonna do it. He gonna do it. He gonna win it. He gonna win it.
I want the box cover going on.
All right, so I buck up this lady. Me I step through. Me I step in for backstage, and I all hear somebody load me up. What's your name?
Trisha.
Trisha. Oh, you enjoy the vibe. What going for the rain?
Big vibes. You know, still up on my foot. Even though the place wet, people enjoy themselves same way.
All right, so between me and you ever there with like a Rasta man?
One bald Rasta.
One bald Rasta. Oh, you're fine. What do you think about the bald? When you say the bald Rasta, you ever talk to a dread like an actual Rasta?
No, no Rasta man. I never.
Because you can't cook the ital food.
I can't cook it, man. Yeah, because ital food I cook still.
Oh, okay, that's good. So talk to me now, like if you ever chance for like take any Jamaican artist for like on a date where you say you don't want there with, which artist or Jamaican celebrity you would besides me you don't want draw for? You don't want draw for, call out.
Why? Well, let me think very hard. Assassin!
You know, say married though.
I'm married too.
Oh, okay, so go on. It splits out, it cancel out. All right, last thing, if you know the song here, and just finish it. You know Richie Spice?
Which one?
Richie Spice was saying, yeah man, all right. So you know Earth Run Red?
Yeah.
All right, so I'm going to start it off and you'll finish. Earth Run Red.
And you want
No, I'm not finish it. Earth Run Red.
Tell you what I look there one at tea bread.
Yeah, tell you one.
I don't know. 10-year-old and look them own a tea and bread.
Okay, so somebody actually know it, but the brother over there is actually help her. Oh, okay, so it good. All right, nice talking to you.
Same here.
Yeah, man.
All the best.
Yeah, man.
I say what you say. Get the fuck up on my face. They see me dripping the sauce. They tryna
Got like a lovely company here. We've got
Oh, look at
Dutty
that.
Berry.
Dutty Berry.
We've got Dutty Berry.
But clean
also,
today.
Also clean and also with an English accent like yourself.
Yeah.
And there he goes right
Da
there.
Vinci.
Da Vinci.
Da Vinci.
Yes.
Oh, no.
Darling. And we've got Rob right here.
Rob Kardashian.
Rob Kardashian. Crazy now. I'm wondering how his bum got fit back there. But, whatever. Working hard, yo. Big up yourself.
Belly. Girl, is the last of that shoes.
Where did the girls go?
Stepping on a patrol a while ago.
I said some of the ladies, they see them.
Box cover Dutty Berry there. It is night 2, Rebel Salute 2018. Have no idea, you know, like who going to perform, but right about now, I come here after the rainfall and the place muddy up, but I'm going to just enjoy myself and taking some reggae music. So Jovi over here, so she make sure plan for the occasion because yesterday she was her caught in heels, but now you plan for it.
Yeah, you know, I mix it up a little bit, you know. I kind of had to get real.
Okay, I have, what was what, a tent, umbrella?
I went and supported the community.
Oh, yes.
By purchasing one of the hundreds of people selling the little things.
Yeah.
I was the lucky winner of this green chair, which I will be using because after last night, I can't tell you.
Yeah, you know you're going to sit down.
I can put them, yes. So I'm going to sit on this.
So why you don't have a